Oh, hey. Hi. I'm back. I'm back. Once again, let me confirm. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. Can't keep me down as much as you may. Back regardless of popular demand, I'm back. The Dewalt man purse worker not backpack bag versus the tried and true bucket boss with the top handle. It's just the cutest. I'm gonna give you a little comparison you didn't ask for. So, suck on that respectfully. Look at this. The Dewalt here has a cool little rubbery handle with a little rib for your whatever you have there. Same thing for Bucket Boss, but theirs is not flexible. And you'll notice that the design of this thing, the little ribs, it's actually allows it to be flexible, and that's the point of the ribbing there. Bucket Boss appears to be a design. It's just a design. It doesn't, there's no flexing there, no flexing. Oh no, flexing, flexing, flexing. But kind of cool. Now, let's give you a couple comparisons. I bought both the bags, only one was on my truck. Maybe it's because the Dewalt snaps into my base that's in the garage. Maybe not. Which one have I actually used out in the real world? Bucket Boss. So, I mean, I'm a boss. Kind of is management that boss, right? I'm a boss of some people. And I don't know. I like it. And now let's do another comparison. Dewalt. Okay, made a video about the Bucket Boss. Who sends me a message on the YouTubes? Bucket Boss. They send me a message. I'm like, that's so cool. Dewalt, silence. I make all kinds of videos about the Dewalt stuff. Like, you know, I like the yellow. I got the different types of boxes and how great the boxes are. They don't care. So, another reason to say good things about Bucket Boss because, oh, hey, look at that, pliers. At least they care. I don't think Dewalt, it's all the Chinese, Germans up in Deutschland. They don't care. So, screw you, Dewalt. Maybe I'll just go to back all in Makita. I don't know. Bucket Boss, make more tools, please. I like your bag. I can't. Okay, bottom line, here we go. Dewalt wants you to use this as a satchel, like a man satchel type of thing. Like, look at me, I'm on my way to the job with my old man satchel. That's Dewalt. Bucket Boss, they give you the one strap, like I'm cool, too cool for school. Let me go, look, walk to my job that way. Okay. It's just the right size in here for my iPad. In this back part, it's very padded. I put an iPad in there quite often. I know that it's going to be safe. Dewalt doesn't have anything like that. They've got a lot of compartments. If you want to have a lot of compartments and show people that you're cool, because you have a lot of different things in the pack, you know, and you want to snap into a base, Dewalt. If you want something for real world, gonna most likely want to carry into the job, Bucket Boss wins for sure. I think they cost around the same amount, but Bucket Boss is cooler. So there. The other thing, interchangeable. I can hook the bottom of my strap to the other side, so if I want to go left hand, you know what I mean? Oops. Oh, the clasp is really, really cool. See, look at that, see? Look at this. That's so cool. A little nipple crippler there. Pretty nice. Folks, they're probably all from China. Ooh, quite frankly, they're from China.
vagina.
I'm never gonna stop. So suck it. These days you can get boxes and you can get bags from all sorts of manufacturers. You've got Makita, you've got Dewalt, you've got Bucket Boss, you've got Milwaukee, you've got Tough Built, you know, you've got Skill, you've got Craftsman, you got Ryobi, Honda, whoever the Flex, Stanley, Astroglide. You've got all these different ones, you know. Choose what works for you. Excuse me. Choose what works for you. I own a couple, and the DeWalt one, I'll find something for it, but it stays at home. The bag that deserves to be on my truck, Bucket Boss. It's just, honestly, it's the only bag that I have that I trust to put an iPad in to keep it safe, because it's just so padded, and it's got it's a little tiny bit similar profile, but just a little bit smaller, which also puts it in the perfect spot between my boxes inside the bed. I love it. So I know it's not funny and it's a weird, wacky video, but it's just it's the bag. Bottom line. So go with what works for you. My three loyal viewers. Honestly, if you're into being nicer to your body and not carry such heavy things, the DeWalt bag feels almost twice as heavy. Bucket Boss, for sure, it's a lighter deal. So there you go. Yeah, neighbors are the enemy. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. So suck on that, and I'll pause for a minute. Folks, I'm back. Knowing neighbors are gone. The stitching is better. It's just a better bag. It doesn't clap into anything, but I mean, it's called Bucket Boss. I mean, the Chinese Germans that made this, you know, I mean, it's okay. I raved about it before, and it's good. It's good. I raved about it. I'll keep it. But after a while, have I used it? No. Which one would I go to if I needed to use one bag? Bucket Boss. Go for the Bucket Boss. I don't know where you can get them. Got them at like Ace Hardware. It's just better. So don't be stupid. Get the Bucket Boss. I'm not sure I attract a lot of intelligence here anyway. If I find people that watch this that are like me, yeah, I don't know. But thank you. If anybody watched this, thanks. And it's going to keep going, so I don't care. Just not going to stop. Not going to stop. And I don't care if I'm surrounded by annoying neighbors that won't shut up when I'm trying to film. I don't care. And that's my time, and you can take it or you can leave it. I used to ask people to comment with, what'd you like, what'd you hate? Well, don't say what you hate, but I don't know. The point is, I want to talk about the bags. You can like this video or not. I'm going to keep going, so take it or don't. Bye.